Hi friends, welcome to Shraddha Tutorials. Today we are going to solve problem from exercise 2 of chapter real numbers from class 10. Now let us see what exactly the question is here. There is a circular path around a sport field. Let we consider this as a sport field, and this is a circular circular path around the sport field. Sonia takes 18 minutes to drive one round of the field. Means if she starts, Sonia starts at this point, she will take 18 minutes to complete one round, and Ravi takes 12 minutes for the same. Means Ravi takes 12 minutes to complete the same path. Suppose they both start at the same point and at the same time and go in the same direction. After how many minutes they meet again at the same point? Now what exactly the question here is? In a sport field we have a circular path. Okay. Now Sonia takes, means if Sonia takes 18 minutes to cover this path, Ravi takes 12 minutes. If they both start at same point and if they go through the same direction, and after how many minutes again they both will meet. Okay. Now let, for an example, at point 0 time, Ravi and Sonia starts, means they go through the path, circular path. After 12 minutes, Ravi will be here at the same point, but Sonia will be somewhere here, which takes still 6 minutes to complete one round. Okay. So after 12 more minutes again, if we consider, okay, so after 12 minutes Ravi will be here and Sonia will be here. So after one more round, if Ravi comes, if Ravi completes, so 24 minutes, so 12 plus 12, 24 minutes. So now where exactly Sonia will be? Somewhere here. She will be still taking 12 more minutes to complete. Okay. Now if Ravi go for third round, then Sonia will be here for the second round. After second round she will be here. So total, see, 18, 36 minutes she will be taking to complete 2 rounds, but Ravi takes 36 minutes to complete 3 rounds. So after 3 rounds of Ravi, both Ravi and Sonia meet at the same place. Okay. But this 36 is nothing but LCM of 12 and 18, isn't it? Now what we can say, if they both start at the same point at same time, then what will be the time where again they both will meet is nothing but LCM of the 2 times. Okay. Now if we find the LCM of 12 and 18, then we will be, what the value we will be getting is nothing but the minutes after what they start here, they will meet again. Okay. Now let us find the LCM of the given values. Okay. How to find LCM of the given values? We have different ways to find LCM of given values, but in this chapter we solved by using prime factorization. Okay. Now let us find LCM for the 12 and 18. So what we can say, means they will meet again at the starting point after the LCM of the both values. So that I can write here. So they will meet again at the starting point when after LCM of both values, or I can write simply LCM of both values, that is 12 and 18. 12 and 18. Okay. So how to write 12 as a prime factorization? I can write it as 2 into 2 into 3, that is 2 square into 3. 18 can be written as 2 into 3 into 3, that is 2 into 3 square, 2 into 3 square. Now what is the LCM of the given values? LCM of 12 and 18 is equal to, so what we have to take? We have to take the common factor with the highest exponent, isn't it? So here 2 is the common factor, with highest exponent means here 1 and here 2. So 2 to the power of 2 into, here 3 is the common, of course, here 2 and the power is here is 1. So 2 is highest, so 3 to the power of 2 means 4 into 9, that is 36. So what we can write after 16 minutes. Now I can write here after, sorry, not 16, 36 minutes. After 36 minutes, both Ravi and Sonia meet at the starting point. I hope you understood the content what I have discussed in this video. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much.